In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change text messages notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Text Messages app, and then above the list of your conversations, tap at your profile picture. Then down below, tap at Messages Settings, and that's where at the very top you can easily find Notifications. Once you get into Notifications settings, first off, make sure that notifications allowed on your device, and then down below, tap at Notification Categories. After that, make sure the toggle next to Incoming Messages turn on, and then tap at Incoming Messages, and that's where you can easily find Sound. Once we get into Sound, first off, we can control notification sound volume by dragging this slider right or left, and down below here we can select different notification sound. By default it's set to default notification sound, and that's how we can easily select another one. Once you've selected the notification sound you would like to use, you can just close the settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.